Let's dive into the practical information on how to use these devices effectively. Proper adjustment and fitting are crucial for the effective use of mobility aids. Wheelchairs, walkers, and canes should be adjusted to fit the user's height and weight. Safe handling and transfer techniques are also important. For example, when transferring someone from a wheelchair to a bed, ensure that the wheelchair is locked and that you use proper lifting techniques to avoid injury. To use hearing aids effectively, it is important to know how to properly insert and remove them. Basic troubleshooting tips, such as checking the battery or cleaning the device, can resolve common issues. For instance, if a hearing aid isn't working, replacing the battery or cleaning the microphone might help. Adjusting magnifiers and screen readers to suit the user's needs is essential. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning lenses and updating software, ensures that these devices work correctly. For example, keeping the screen reader software updated can improve its performance and user experience. Setting up and customizing speech-generating devices to meet the user's preferences is important for effective communication. Encouraging effective communication involves being patient and supportive, ensuring that users feel comfortable using their devices. For example, customizing a speech-generating device with phrases the user commonly uses can make communication smoother.